Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to render faster with After Effects and Media Encoder. Here you can see that I have a video on the After Effects canvas and I want to render it. If we render it normally, it will take a huge amount of time, so I'll show you some Media Encoder settings that will help you render faster. First, go to File, click on Export, then click on Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Now the file will open in Adobe Media Encoder. Now follow along with the steps I show you. Click on this option and select H.264. Now click on this to open the full render settings. In this menu, click on Match Source. Now scroll down a bit and check the Render at Maximum Depth option. Scroll down to the encoding section and make sure the profile is set to main and the level is set to 5.1. Now, scroll down to the bitrate section and set the bitrate encoding to VBR2 Set the target bitrate to 10 and the maximum bitrate to 42. Now check the Use Maximum Render Quality option and click on OK. After you're done, click on this button to start rendering, and you'll notice that the render speed is much faster than before. And that was the best Media Encoder setting for fast rendering. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.